Be sure and tune in January 8th, 9 o'clock p.m. for the season premiere of Graveyard Carz on Discovery Velocity. Got it the first time.
Well, yeah, but remember, it's
be
sure to tune into the season premiere of Graveyard Carz.
You know what I said? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Oh, by the way, be sure and tune in on January... That's not good.
Well, yes.
Okay.
You didn't catch him on a street corner.
Be sure and tune in. Here we go. Okay. Be sure and tune in to the season premiere of Graveyard Carz Season 2, January 8th, 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time on Discovery Velocity.
Well, it's Velocity by Discovery.
Okay, I'll try it again. Velocity by Discovery. Okay.
It's still, yeah, it'll always be probably Velocity by Discovery.
Okay. Be sure and tune in to the season premiere of Graveyard Carz, January 8th, 9 o'clock p.m. on Discovery Velocity.
What are they watching?
Graveyard Carz.
What season is it?
Season 2.
Okay.
9 o'clock p.m. January 8th, 2013. And when was the Mayan calendar supposed to go?
Pretty soon, I think.
Yeah. We should put that in there. If
So
you're watching
yeah,
this,
don't tune in if you're dead.
No, if you're watching this, the Mayan calendar was wrong, right?
Well, no, because I think this is for Facebook. I got.
I want to say if the Mayan calendar was wrong, they'll be hearing this. If not, they won't hear it.
And just for the record, you guys wanted him back. I didn't. So.
You want to try it again or not? No?
We got double the cars, we got double the stress, double the money, and I got 1/2 the patience I ever had. This is our year. Everybody's watching on this one.
Can I leave a bruise on your forehead?
Can I leave a handprint on your face? Now you definitely look like the guy from The Fly.
I'm from the streets, man. I'm from the streets.
Just shut your mouth before I actually punch you out.
God, I love my father-in-law.
I wish I had Viagra for brains.